Hi Techs, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Chrome to share any website with a QR code. To do this, launch Google Chrome, go to a website, then click on the three dots on the far right side of the window. Select Save and Share, then click Create QR Code. Now you can download the image and share. Now anyone can scan the code to open the link. And that's it, and super easy. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. And the QR code will be shown at the end of this video.